everybody, it's Denise from Wonderland Boutique. And what do we have in store for the channel today? Let me show you. Jeffree Star mystery box has arrived. So I just received this today. The video is going up tomorrow, which is Friday, because I have to be one of the first ones out with a review. I scored all three, not one, but all three mystery boxes this time. The premium, the deluxe, and the supreme. This is the premium. It's the smallest size. This is the one that got here first. So we're going to open this one today. I'm going to do a separate video for each box, like really focusing on each box. And then I'll do one box for all three all together for anybody who's interested in everything all at once. So with that being said, we're going to dive in and get started with this. I'm super excited to open this. You have no idea. Because the last mystery box, I got nothing. Not one thing. Not two. Definitely not three. Nothing. It sold out like while I was in the process of trying to check out. Like somebody stole it out of my cart and I got nothing. So this is the Halloween mystery box set. This is the premium. It was $40 and I think it's supposed to contain, let me look here on the computer. I think it's supposed to contain 4 items. I don't remember. Let me look at the website to see if it pulls it up. So each box changes with how much you get. There's like exclusive items in here that you can only get with the Halloween mystery box that they're not launching for everyday wear. So there could be something in here that is just exclusive to this box. It says that the premium box contains 4 items. So there should be 4 items in here. I have no idea what they are. And I know it's going to be more than the $40 value of the box. So I'd like to go ahead and open it and get started. So you're probably wondering, how did I get all 3 of the boxes? Well, I had my alarm set to when it was supposed to launch at noon Central Standard Time. And yes, this is brand new. I'm opening it with all of you. This is the first time I'm going to see anything. And I refreshed it at 11:59 and the boxes came up. And I was like, what? Are you, whatting me? So 11:59, I refreshed. I hit the first 2 boxes. Got through with those, and then I was like, oh, let's just get them all. So then I ended up getting this guy last. So he was my last purchase. But I got through. It was like a minute before it was supposed to launch. So first of all, you can see that it's black tissue paper for the Halloween. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay. Now, what I love about Jeffree Star is that they like wrap everything. You can tell it's, a person actually packaged this. So this is what it looks like, all 4 products. Let me pull that down. Okay, so it automatically looks like we got a lip ammunition. I wonder what this is. I wonder if this is a palette. I don't know, but look at, it's got the Jeffree Star sticker logo. Let's open her up and see what it is. I'm so excited. Oh, it's the mini breaker. Do I have this? I feel like I might. But that's okay because you know what? I have friends who want this and I can sell it to them. I do have the mini breaker. That's okay. That's okay. Check it out. There's all the colors in the mini breaker. So it's his mini breaker palette eyeshadow set, which I love. So nothing wrong with getting duplicates. That's okay. But that's a great value because I think this was like $28 or $30 by itself. So I got the mini breaker palette. Let's see what else we have in here. All right. This is lip ammunition and it says glazed. Now, I don't have any lip ammunition, so this will be my first one. I'm going to open the side that doesn't have the seal on it. I'm not really sure what color it's going to be. I love these. They look like little bullets. Lip ammunition. Okay. Oh, wow. That is a very like metallic-y color. I don't know what color that is. Let's do a swatch. I've learned you go down. Oh, it's sheer. It is a sheer. Let's see if you can see that. Oh. I don't know. Oh, let's try it here. My hands are super crusty, so that's cool. There we go. Now you can see it. Yeah, so like it would look good, I think, over what I'm wearing. Can you see it? I'm wearing skin tight. I'm wearing skin tight currently. Oh, it's taking the skin tight off. Ugh. Anyway, so I'm wearing skin tight right now, which is a velour liquid lipstick, and then I just put the glazed on over it. Don't know if you can see it or not, but I definitely have oh boy, I've got skin tight all over the glazed. Sorry, just trying to take it off. I think this is good for like going over something. Otherwise I think it's like really sheer, but it's this gold like color shift. So if you look at it in one way, it almost has like a green hue to it. It's pretty cool. Okay, what is this? Ooh, velour liquid lipstick. Yes, it's called Soul Sucker. That is how I like to use my life. Soul Sucker. I wonder if this is an exclusive. I don't really know. He has so many colors. I don't know exactly all the colors he has. So I don't know if this is an exclusive for Halloween or if this is something that's out right now. It says shake well before use. Let's just shake it all around. I've never shaked it before using it. So let's try it out. I wonder if it's like black. Oh, it is dark. Yep. Oh, that's cool. So it's black, but it has like these like brown gold flecks to it. Let me show you. I have it next to the glazed. Ugh. Hopefully you can see it. It's actually really cool looking. I don't know if I'd wear it. Ugh, I'm trying to get it close so you guys can see. But in the bottle you can hopefully see, like I said, it's black with these like gold brown flecks on it. It's actually really cool. I'm gonna be Sally for Halloween for Nightmare Before Christmas, so I wonder if I can utilize that into my costume. And then my last piece that I got is, what is this? A velour liquid lipsticks. This one actually says shake well before use too. And this is First Class. Oh, again, I don't know if like when this launch was. I'm not that much of a Jeffree Star stalker. I am a stalker, but I don't know how far back, like which launch this was. But this is called First Class and it's gold. Okay, so it's a nice, pretty shimmer gold. Take a look. Let's swatch it the best I can. I'm going to put it next. Okay, now this one has more coverage. So this one isn't like a sheer. This is like a gold. So this well, like a gold. It is gold. It definitely could go over another color, or you could wear it by yourself. I mean, you could wear the liquid ammunition by itself too. That wouldn't be a problem. But look, don't mind the crusty hands. Don't mind them. They're dry. It's winter. All right, it's fall. I'm crusty. That happens. So, what did I get with the premium? I got the Mini Breaker eyeshadow palette, the lip ammunition in glazed, the velour liquid lipstick in Soul Sucker, and it does have an orange and black logo, so I'm thinking it's for Halloween. That's just pretty cool. And then I also got the First Class velour liquid lipstick. So altogether, these are all 4 products that came in the premium set. And I'm very happy with it. I had no idea what I was going to get. This is to add to my Jeffree Star collection. As you can see, I'm wearing Can't Relate hoodie now, one of his merch pieces. And it's also the first piece of merch I've ever bought from any YouTuber or anything like that. So, yes, am I happy with what I bought? Yes. Will I use everything? No. But that's okay, because sometimes things are great for adding to your collection, just like Ariel. Look at my collection. Isn't it complete? Not yet. I need everything. Okay. I still have a lot to get. But I'm also going to see if my friend is interested in buying this off of me, since it is a duplicate and I have it already. But overall, I think it's a really good value you get for $40, because like I said, the breaker, I don't know, I think it's like $28-30, and the velour liquid lipsticks are $22 each. And then the lip ammunition, I actually don't know how much that is off the top of my head. Whoa, I just threw that. Boop. tips. I'll look that up for the other video. But yeah, I got well more than the purchase price of the box for the value. And so I think it's great. I'm super excited to see my other boxes. Let me know in the comments below if you were able to score a Halloween mystery box or if you just love seeing the products that are coming out. He has so much more in the works. And then if you're not following Wonderland Boutique on Instagram and Facebook, the links will be down below. Make sure you hit that bell notification and that subscribe icon so you can be alerted every time I upload a new video. And be sure to check out my other Jeffree Star mystery box unboxings and reviews. Those links will be down below since this is my first one that I've been able to complete since it's the first box that came in. So thanks for joining me today. It's Denise from Wonderland Boutique, and I hope to see you again real soon. Bye-bye.